Now, almost 8 years later, I will say the energy is still by far my favorite part, but I started Thrive Elite because, yeah, well, I said I didn't care if I lost another pound. Let's be honest, I'm a woman, so I really do care. In December 31st, I transitioned to Thrive Elite. Same 3 steps, but for weight loss. And I can tell the difference in how my scrubs are fitting. And most importantly, my sweet cravings were pretty much non-existent. And when you love sweets, that's a big deal to say, but I don't really want it, you know? Since I started my Thrive Elite experience, I have lost 14 pounds. I still have the same amazing all-day energy with Thrive, but the Elite has allowed me to make some healthier eating choices and just eating less because I'm not as hungry.